Hey, what's up, Ankr holder? So what's going on, my brother? This video is going very special for Ankr holder because I have one good news and one bad news, and also live price prediction. Today we decide to what we do, law we sell, we hold, or we buy it. Okay, so these three important things I do in this video. So gonna very special, Ankr holder. Keep watch if you are a new holder especially. So let's get started this brand video, my friends. But before I get started this video, I have one big request to please subscribe MBS Tech channel for latest news and updates. Yes, please complete my 10,000 subscriber and I do a giveaway. Yes, the good news is that I do a giveaway of 5,000 Ankr coin. Yes, the giveaway is coming soon, but just complete my 10,000 subscribers. So let's get started the price prediction, guys. First of all, I'm gonna show you the three charts, and then we decide to this is holding, this is selling time, this is buying time, this is holding time. Okay, so note these charts. You can see here these price. Note this. Okay, which I show you, which result I show you. Please note this. This is very important for the last decision. As you can see here, the latest price is 0.17 at US dollar as the latest price of last 7 days. You can see here the chart as on the last 7 days is very bad. If you can see here, minus 10.2% gone down completely. They go down. You can see here the chart result, but they're starting again jumping. Oh my goodness, this is good news for all holder of Ankr. You can see here they completely starting jumping again. So remember this price and remember this chant. This is very important. So let's see the last 1 day result, last 24-hour result to what's going on in the last 24-hour result. This chart is also very important. Please remember that. Okay, oh my goodness, I am also right. You can see here this time the chant is plus. This is good too. This is the chant is in positive. Congratulations, brother. Ankr gone positive, Ankr gone jumping, Ankr start jumping. This is good news for our Ankr holder. Congratulations, this is your day. As you can see here, the last 24-hour chart result, it totally goes down, but in the last hours they, I think, starting jumping like a rocket, and I hope they're starting jumping very fastly. So also note this, this result, this price, the price is come down this time. You can see here 17, 15 or 50 or 55 as the latest price. So let's check out the last 1 hour latest price charts to what's going on in the last 1 hour, guys. This is the last chart, and then we decide to this is selling or holding time. Okay, so I said something about the holder of new, especially new holder do what they sell it completely. Sometimes they gone down, they decide to this is selling time. This is very big mistake. Please don't do this mistake. Okay, so remember, if you have remembered the last 7-day price higher than 0.17, I think something US dollar, but this time you can see here they come down to 15 US dollars. So the price is completely come down. So why they come down? This is the live price prediction. You can see here I tell you in the start of this video to I decide to what we do and the this current time. So the price has come down. This is the one big reason to this is the start of month, and every cryptocurrency has gone down, and those days I already said it. And this time crypto market 10 billion lost. So this is very bad performance. If you can see here, the Bitcoin is the wonderful and the top cryptocurrency, but he also lost, and this very highly. So guys, if you remember, the chant is very short, but this time you can see here the chant is also in positive. If you remember, the 7 days chant is also in negative and very 10, I think 10 point something percent gone bad. So this is absolutely very bad chant, but this time you can see here I think they totally gone up like a rocket. So congratulations, my Ankr brother. Ankr starting growing very fastly. Please don't sell it. My opinion as that to please don't sell it. If you have any plan to buy more, then buy it and hold it and wait for the end of month. I hope they give you a good result and they make you a millionaire. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoy this video. Please like this video, complete 1000 like just on this video, and please share with your crypto holder and subscribe channel. Allah Hafiz, take care.